cancer carcinogenesis theory shortcomings. 7. Basic idea of Efruzhu carcinogenesis theory. Firstly, inadequate energy. Energy of normal cell. Mutations. Secondly, maybe non-self antigenic dynamic. Single cell, only one cell, really not foreign. Destructive products, etc. Making to begin phagocytosis by immune cell. So scenario is starting. From time to time, chronic inflammation is basis of carcinogenesis starting point. Once normal cell transformed to cancer cell, that it has different cell identity, mutation later to be attract attention when cancer cell make behavior action. The other normal cell near area have made mimics look like copy of cancer cell because they have same identity, cancer cell mutations, so look like mimics. Imitation via signaling would have been happened automatically. All cancer carcinogenesis starting point. One normal cell DNA sequence is cloned by virus immune cells to inadequate energy, chronic inflammation, antioxidative stress and oxidative stress, inadequate nutrient, and hypoxia, excess fat, protein, carbohydrate, breakdown energy metabolism, excess signaling molecule, hormones, cause of loss the cell autocontrol by itself. Why cancer cell want to make metastasis? First carcinogenesis starting in one cell, later look like one another to increase, to multiply at the end. Colony will have happened. Cancer cell personal character is characteristic, so every person locally will become in the colony neoplastic parasite, which person will works as source, nutrient and oxygen, so it has to emigrate different livable area because same character person. Population against nature of cancer cell living cell, just like human that living is difficult to be obligation to emigrate another suitable livable area. Cancer cell does not want to die and it's looking for source area is rich nutrient and oxygen. Later of metastasis to arrive, cancer cell consume oxygen and nutrient as parasite, cause and inflammation, etc. Local other cell have been done neoplastic transformation. Efruzhu cancer carcinogenesis theory. Cancer cell has dual role. One side want to die, that normal DNA sequence and its dynamics are managing. Two, other side want to live forever immortal, that mutational sequence and dynamics are managing. Cancer cell all steps, dual role, dual function, dependence of binary identity, but these two opposite dynamics, affection, different mutational dominant and normal DNA site recessive position. Cancer is a divine, heavenly disease. That means all opposite contraries could self-expression provide to be at peace, rich, productive life is possible in the world. Cancer cell has a lot of opposite dynamics. All of these are not contradiction. This is show us if life possible to manage symmetrical would become balanced. Dual role, dual action, approximately whole character of cancer cell, but aberrant signaling cause of expression foreign mutation DNA person dominantly and self-normal DNA could not expression, silence in the life, not action. Single cancer cell at first have been changed its identity by environmental cells that keep its life, prevent its living. Self-renewal means cultural adaptation to accept, to appropriate by environment, culture, but cancer cell living is under suboptimal living conditions. Carcinogenesis, dependence, loss of oxidants, radical antioxidants balance that cause of DNA mutations, breakdown, suppression, inhibiting energy generation, production, chronic inflammatory condition, and chaotic relationship, very important points. Cancer cell living style is irregular, lawless, dependence of mutational DNA sequences, aberrant signaling pathways, mutational receptors, continuous signaling from outside, also cancer cell parasitic, glucose consumer, character, relation, same factors. Efruzhu cancer carcinogenesis theory is really true, 100%, but impossible to prove directly and detailed. Any stage of cancer disease can solve totally if this theory to take into consideration cancer cell will have differentiated and become mature cell. This theory to explain multi-complex molecular relationship like universe in summary. That's enough for solution. We would like real new molecular solution that cancer cell want to help could pass to normal cell condition basis of homeostatic physiology. Chemotherapy, radiation therapy is not real suitable of cancer cell. Reality, practically any living organism does not accept to die and war, stimulate to war, to fight. At the end, this relation turns vicious circle. I would like to make suggestions. Must be rescue the cancer cell its mutation with complementary normal DNA sequence, remove, decrease aberrant signaling pathways, down regulation of mutational receptor, high energy phosphate ATP, anti-inflammation, decrease signaling molecule from outside, especially nitric oxide, cytokine, growth factors, additional normal DNA sequence, increase histone modification, decrease hypermethylation, that cause of silence, increasing normal signaling pathways. Upregulation of normal cell receptor to sciences can be produced this drug if we have remember cancer cell as binary identity. So solution is possible, same parallel. Genetics include molecular biology and biochemistry because cancer cell problems to belong molecular genetics and biochemical. Nitric oxide, very important molecules that free radical to inhibit the mitochondrion and as messenger makes hypermethylation of cell normal DNA sequence. Suppression, repression, silence is the nucleus, but same time non-cell mutations, activation, transcription expression, aberrant signaling. Other normal cell signaling pathways need ATP energy that autoregulation feedback mechanism could not work as physiologic. Dual function, dual role at histone protein, not enough energy ATP that could open so self DNA sequence, not transcription but glycolysis dominantly uses aberrant signaling pathways, and foreign non-self DNA sequence that could open a transcription expression is happen. Efruzhu cancer carcinogenesis theory to research had been begun first metaphysical sciences, macro level, and then it's equalize positive sciences, molecular level. Both of these are opposite, contrary, like cancer cell, dual role, dual action. Binary identity, if two opposite symmetric works together, suitable, yield production possible. Thank you very much, all of the world citizen. And I would like to say lastly, Efruzhu cancer carcinogenesis theory 4 laws. 1. Mutations group identity. 2. Inadequate inefficiency energy. 3. Chronic inflammation and continuous signaling molecules from outside. 4. Normal self DNA sequence suppression, repression, different degree malignity, degree carcinogenesis in summary above.